Hello, my name is Maxim, and now I'm going to show you the app which I have created for mobile programming with native technologies course. So the app is called Find That Book. Let's start it from Android Studio. So the main purpose of this app is to let users browse and search for books. The app is built with Google Books API. The app opens on the popular books screen, where you can see top 20 books in Finland region. Also, the app has an opportunity to open like an individual book page. For example, here you can see title, author or authors, published date, and description of the book. Also, the Read Now button in the bottom is available for this book. So if we click it, the app navigates us to Google Play Shop. Also, there is another screen, the search screen, with an outline text field, where user is able to search for books. For example, let's see Kotlin. The app gives the list of Kotlin related books. It gives only 20 books here. In the personal book page, as you can see, there are the same data, so title and details about the book. Also, the Read Now link is available here, and it can navigate us to Google Play Shop. Then also, as you could see, I added loading speed, and as well as to other screens, information about the book, app, and settings, where I can toggle dark mode. So this is how the app looks in dark mode. Also, as you can see, the if API is providing me with image links, the situation is handled, as well as for example, you can see the subtitle is not available. Text, that means that API is not providing me with this data. And also, if the book link is not available, it is also shown to the user. Also, for example, if I turn off my mobile data, you can see that my app handles the error, as well as for popular books. Now let's move on to the code. So the app is using model view model architecture. So in my model package, there are two files. In this file, I define the data classes for Google API, the Google Books API response, which contains all necessary fields which I'm rendering in the UI. And book model has three functions. These two functions are for two different purposes, for two different endpoints in the Google Books API. And the get instance function is using retrofit to later on make calls to the API from the view model. So as you can see here, my view model page, it has several state variables, two state variables for different UI states for different screens, then two books list, which contains books item for different screens as well, and also Dart theme state, which allows me to toggle the state for different themes. Also, view model contains several functions which are making API calls, and the functions for example, finding the necessary book based on ID to display it on an individual screen. Then there is a navigation package which contains two bars, bottom bar and top bar, which you can see in the app. There are two different types of top bars, and also navigation main, which contains enough host with all necessary routes, which then rendered in main activity. here. And also, as you can see, the view model is the same for all app. I'm passing it as well to the theme to trigger then the theme change here. Also, there are UI package with components, buy button, which you could see an individual book screen, error screen, loading indicator, and render books list, which is reusable function composable for rendering books list. In the screen package, there are 5 files for different screens. For books individual screen, book search screen, info screen, popular screen, and settings screen. As you can see, I have used string resources in all composable functions. And also I used custom icon here, which you could see on the here. So that's it. I went briefly through the code, and thanks for your attention.